My name is Brandon O'Neill. I'm the National Director of Food Beverage for American Golf. There's a lot of companies within the inventory management marketplace, but there is only one that's a solution-oriented company, and that's BevSpot. They're willing to do anything it takes to provide a solution to the problem that you're facing. We were working with an antiquated system, one that we had used for several years and actually was not functional in our systems anymore. We were looking for a new partner that would work with us as a growing company, that would be able to evaluate our wants and needs and be able to solve the issues that we were facing. Working with Eric and the BevSpot team was about developing a relationship and developing trust. The measurable results are showing and effectively lowering our cost of sales. When we have accurate data, accurate pricing, and we can effectively lower those costs of sales over 50 clubs nationally, 1 point here, 2 points there means a tremendous amount to our bottom line. There's no doubt in my mind that if you trusted and collaborated with BevSpot the way we do, that you'd be successful as well.
Whether you're running a mom and pop business serving your local community, managing 50 golf courses, or overseeing hundreds of hotels, visit BevSpot.com to see how we help you effortlessly manage and grow every aspect of your business.